In Arabic, between, good. Between two numbers is running with A and B. If we have a less equal or bigger, less or bigger, you have the close interval. You have the close interval, just A, B. It's okay? The notation of close interval is A, B. So X belongs to A, B with A, B close interval. It's okay? The second one, if we have X running with A, B with open interval, you have strictly less, strictly bigger. It's okay? If we have this case, the interval is open interval with A and B. You have open interval A, B. It's okay. Case number 3, you have X running with A, X bigger or equal A and less than B. So you have close interval in A and open interval in B. Like this. Okay? You have close, open. The inverse, you have X bigger than A and X less or equal than B. So X belongs to AB with open interval in A and closed interval in B. This case, you have open in A and closed in B. Okay? If we have X belongs to R and X bigger or equal A, in this case, X belongs to A plus infinity. You don't know infinity, so X is bigger or equal A, so the closed interval in A. You have A plus infinity because you have here bigger or equal. It's okay. The inverse, if we have X less or equal A, you have minus infinity A with closed interval in A. Minus infinity A. Okay? The second one, X strictly bigger than A. If you have strictly, you have open interval is A plus infinity with open interval in A. A plus infinity. The inverse, X less strictly than A, so X belongs to minus infinity A with open interval in A. Okay? Center, radius, diameter of an interval. You see the center and radius last year. Center in Arabic هو مركز مجال and radius diameter هو المقام القطر ولكن بالنسبة للمجال كيتسمى سعة المجال. Last year you found this in Arabic or I think in French. Okay? Let A and B do endpoints of an interval A such as A less than B. So the center of the interval A is where C equal A plus B over 2. It's okay? The radius of an interval is B minus A over 2. The diameter of the interval A is where D equal B minus A. So D equal always to R. D equal to R. And D in the interval is the distance of A and B. It's okay? Clear? Absolute value and order. If we have R belongs to R such as R always positive number, we have if X absolute value X less or equal R means X is between minus R and R. It's okay? So X belongs to closed interval minus R. Why you have the closed interval minus R? Why? You have X between minus R and you have X belongs to minus R with closed interval. Why?
Because X is bigger and equal to minus
yes,
R.
good, very good. Because you have less and bigger or equal. It's okay. If we have X strictly less than R, you have X between minus R minus r. So x, you have two cases. X belongs to r plus infinity if x bigger or equal r, or x less than minus r, so x belongs to minus infinity minus r. Both of them, x belongs to r plus infinity union minus infinity minus r. The symbol is union. Okay? If we have x bigger strictly than r, so you have x bigger than r or x less strictly than minus r. Means it's the same, but you have open interval in this case. Okay? Means x belongs to r plus infinity or x belongs to minus infinity minus r. Means x belongs to r plus infinity union minus infinity minus r. Okay? You have the application in next step. Okay? Take the course and you pass in application. Okay? So, for example, you have x, absolute value of x less or equal 1. R here is 1. Means x is between minus 1 and 1. X belongs to minus 1, 1 with close interval because you have x less or equals. It's okay. Here you have absolute value of x less strictly than square root 2. Means x is between minus square root 2 and square root 2. Here we have strictly, so x belongs to open interval is minus square root 2 and square root 2. It's okay? Here you have absolute value of x bigger or equal square root 3. Means x bigger or equal square root 3 or x less or equal minus square root 3. Means x belongs that square root 3 plus infinity or x belongs to minus infinity minus square root 3 with close interval in the square root 3. Remark, in minus infinity and plus infinity, always open interval. Okay? Means x belongs to both of the two intervals, square root 3 plus infinity union minus infinity minus square root 3. Okay? You have here absolute value of x bigger strictly than 3 over 5. So x bigger strictly than 3 over 5 or x less strictly than 3 over 5. Means x belongs to 3 over 5 plus infinity with open interval or x belongs to minus infinity 3 over 5 open interval. So x belongs to union of two interval. X belongs to 3 over 5 plus infinity union minus infinity 3 over 5. Property, if x belongs to AB, means x minus c less or equal r. C belongs to interval AB. It's okay? Okay, take the exercise for